Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create realistic shadow using Photoshop. So let's begin. Open Photoshop and import the photo. I have already imported a photo in my Photoshop. First select the quick selection tool from the toolbar. Now select the subject like this. I'm using quick selection tool because it will save your time. To remove unwanted selections, press and hold Alt button on your keyboard and drag over unwanted selections. Remember that Control and Alt button will be replaced by Command and Option button in your Mac. When the subject is selected, press Ctrl and J button to create a new layer from the selection. A new layer is created. As you can see, the new layer contains the subject only. Now press and hold Ctrl button on your keyboard and click on the thumbnail of layer 1. Now the selection is back again. Create a new layer by clicking on this new layer icon. Now select black color for the shadow. As you can see, my foreground color is black. So I have to press Alt and Backspace to apply this color to the selection. Press Ctrl and D button to remove the selection. Now press Ctrl and T button for transform the shadow. Right click here and click on Distort. Now adjust the shadow like this. Click Enter or on this icon here. As you can see, the shadow is covering the shoes of the subject. So click on the subject layer and move it to the top. Now click on the layer of the shadow and select Move tool from the toolbar. You can use arrow keys of your keyboard to adjust the shadow position. Now go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Don't apply blur too much. I'm setting blur radius 4 pixel. Click OK button. Now reduce the opacity a little bit. Now it looks more realistic. If you want to increase the shadow size, press Ctrl and T button again to transform. Now resize the shadow and adjust the position. Click Enter button. And it's done. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and never miss any of my update videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.